bathi uMusa uthole i-type yakhe, uthole i-match yakhe. On the streets, people have been saying that Musa has found his match, and that being uMangwabe. Just the way Musa is selfish about himself, his vision, but Tige uMangwabe is matching that very same energy. She is selfish and she puts herself first. So I want us to speak about a scene on the latest episode of Utando Nestempu, which is, remember, uMangwabe, it was her turn, it was her night to spend the night with Musa. And then she did not end up going to Musa's room. There was a misunderstanding that happened there, what. So the next night was supposed to be Tobile's night. So what Tobile does, Yamazi Tobile is Dora the Explorer. She has the answers to everything. That is Utobile. Anyway, I love it for her. I mean, you know what? Let me be honest, guys. Utobile is the perfect. She's a perfect wife for Istembu. And if everyone went into Istembu like Utobile the way they are, I think Istembu would be perfect. But unfortunately, not everyone is like Utobile. So Tobile says to Musa that, you know what, I don't like lento yenu ukuthi hlezi nixabana ninomangwabe, so I don't want ukuthi menihamba, when you guys go back home, you guys are not in a good place. So though tonight is my night, I am willing to give up my night for umangwabe so that you and her can, so that, no, she didn't say so that you and her, she said that I'm willing to give up my night so that umangwabe can rectify the wrong that she did. And I'm just like, I Tobile got that. Don't you think you're overstepping by saying that, like rectifying the wrong that she did? So she's basically saying the fact that she didn't give Umtombeni izinto zakhe, then umangwabe is wrong. And I'm like, I guess maybe it's a traditional approach of reasoning, because traditionally as a black woman, when you get married, you are told, utin, you can get angry at your husband, but you don't get angry ngasezantsi. Like, you can get angry, but towards the lower half of your body, you don't get angry. When it comes to bedroom affairs, you don't get angry. And I guess that's the place where Utobile is coming from, and that's why she's saying Umangwabe is wrong. But Umangwabe, clearly, she does not subscribe to that mindset, because Umangwabe, when she's not okay, when she doesn't want to do something, she's not going to do it, and no one's going to tell her nothing. Like, no one will change her mind. That is Umangwabe. She stands, she means what she means. So Tobile, anyway, she decides which she's going to give her day to uMangwabe. And then afonela uMangwabe. When she calls uMangwabe, she says, uMangwabe, please come over. Ufona ngefone kaMthombeni that time. Please come over. Waiting for you, what. According to what I saw, Utobile didn't explain to Mangwabe that I'm giving you my night, please come and rectify. She just said, come over, we're waiting for you, Ntonton. She left. Then the next day, when they're going out to golf, they go out and play golf. Iphumindaba from Umthombeni ukuthi hayi bophela, he slept alone again. Kusho ukuthi uMangwabe stood him up again the second night. Kusho ukuthi uMangwabe akafikanga. And then Tobile is asking auntie, like, what happened, because we arranged. And then uMangwabe, her excuse or her explanation is that yena bekalele akayikhumbuli noyikhumbula leya call, because she was sleeping. Basically, she says she doesn't remember. You know, when you're calling a person, when someone called you while you're sleeping, and then we are Vuma, you agree to anything that person's saying, but you sleeping, that's the type of vibe. And so Musa then says in his diary session, ukuthi uMangwabe is making them fools, and she's continuing to make them fools. And she says this, and he says that this is the type of person Mangwabe is. You guys can agree on something, and then she takes her own route. And he says, quite frankly, Umangwabe, this is the type of person she is. She will never do what's right. She will not do the right thing. And he's saying that Umangwabe utandu's laula. She wants to rule herself. And that if it was up to Mangwabe, she would switch places. Like, she wants to be the man and Musa must be the woman. That's what he's basically saying. That Mangwabe, he said that he gave up on, like, believing that uMangwabe can change, because, like, no one can ever, like, convince Mangwabe, like, to change and no one can ever correct her because in her mind, like once she's convinced of something, like no one can ever like change her. And then he says uMangwabe is not the type of person ongamncenga. And if it were up to him, he would not ncenga her. But because he wants his marriage to work between him and Mangwabe, that's the reason why he's going to continue to pursue her, to ncenga her. So Mangwabe, anyway, yamazi Mangwabe, she's still looking unbothered there, looking unbothered umayeni no makumalo, they're trying to feel sorry for Umusa, shame, like bangawenza anjan. I'm just like, why are you guys feeling sorry for this man? This man has 4 wives. On top of his 4 wives, he still has girlfriends, side chicks, or whatever you want to call them, because Musa did say that they all know that it's a thing in the family that everyone knows that Musa has girlfriends. So I'm like, why would you feel sorry for a man that has 4 wives and then he still has girlfriends? So one day of like not having the deed, like what is it gonna do to him? I don't get it because Utobila no Mayeni, they were like, no, like, feel sorry for him. Utobila even called Umangwabe aside and she's like, no, feel sorry for him. What? Like, Abangele. I'm just like, really? This is like an old man. When he is out, like, with another wife or with another girlfriend or whatnot, who's Abangelaring the wives? But anyway, I guess the wives entered into that situation knowing. So uMangwabe looks unbothered there. Hey, yena akazingeni. She's just like, she doesn't get ukuthi like why when a fuss engaka like over one day. Usula luzobuya mos. And I agree with her, like her day will come again. So what's the big fuss of even like, making or utobile like, shifting her schedule and clearing her schedule for uMangwabe? No. Mangwabe is a grown woman. And I kind of think and kind of believe that uMangwabe, there's like she has, or it looks like she has this resentment towards Umtombeni. And maybe it could be, remember Mangwabe, guys, she's had children that have passed on and that are no longer living. And yeah, she has, spoken about it before. And the way she's spoken about it is as if Musa has never been sensitive towards that matter. He's always continuously like asking for more children. And yeah, he hasn't sympathized over the fact that she has tried to add to that vision board of his concerning the number of children. But Yana, he's just like, it's almost as if he's like, okay, yeah, Sebaj like, that's that, but I want other ones. And I'm like, do you know when a woman has a child that's a life and death experience? So I think even the way Mangwabe responds and acts towards him, like it's coming from a place of nje, like she's checked out in a sense that she puts herself first. And I want to believe, and I believe, guys, the moment a woman gets into a marriage, she will always fight for the needs of her husband to be put first. Like she'll strive to please her husband, strive to make sure that her husband and her kids are fine. But the moment the husband starts to do things that make her seem like an idiot for doing those things for him, she'll start to put herself first. And the moment she puts herself and her kids first, then it looks like she's selfish and looks like she doesn't care. And I feel like that's the same situation with uMangwabe. Mangwabe probably has went through something with Umosa that's making her act like that towards him. Probably. And yeah, now she's just on a tip of putting herself first and putting her kids first. And then Umtonjeni wants to like complain about it. But you know what? If Mangwabe really wants things to work between them, I think she should, follow in the footsteps of Umayeni and go and get counseling. Because at the end of the day, like no one wants to live an unhappy life. Already says Tenjini, there's so much that's going on. The last thing you should be doing is like, being comfortable or leaving things the way they are, whereas you and your husband are not fine. But one thing I've realized, that's the relationship uMangwabe and Musa have. And I'm learning to respect Ude, Banjalo, these people who work out their stuff, Musa umshate emazi ukuthi umangwabe, like she unkanda shiso, or no, she's not ukanda, she's umusushate umangwabe says ukuthi mangwabe is stubborn, So it's nothing new. Yes, maybe it might be like on a deeper level, but I do feel like he knew that mangwabe is like she makes up her own mind. But anyway, guys, please do make sure that you like the video. Please do also subscribe. It is for free of charge, and I'll see you on the next one.